Welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very healthy recipe, which is a carrot salad. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get started and see how to make this super healthy carrot salad. Today I've taken about 5 carrots, which is washed and grated. We need about 2 large onions, which is thinly sliced, 1 green chilli, which is chopped, a few coriander leaves, half a small coconut, which is grated, and 1 lime. So these are the ingredients required for a carrot salad. Okay friends, the ingredients for our recipe is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe. Now let's take a bowl. Into the bowl add the carrots, which we have grated. Now let's add the sliced onions. Now let's add the green chilies. Now let's add the coriander leaves, which is finely chopped. Now let's add the grated coconut. Now let's add the juice of half a lime. First add half a lime, and if necessary you can also add the other half. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of salt. And let's mix everything thoroughly. It's always better to use our hands to mix the ingredients, so that the lime juice and the salt is spread evenly. After mixing everything together, check the salt and the lime juice. You can add a little more lime juice if necessary. So that's it friends, our delicious and healthy carrot salad is ready. Now let's start tasting it. A delicious and healthy carrot salad is absolutely ready to be served. So that's it friends, a super healthy carrot salad is ready. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.